Hello everyone, my name is Ali Nsir and I will be your instructor for this course. You can find me under the name Ali Nsir on ArtStation to see more of my work. I upload all of my work in here. You can know more about me in there. I have been working with indie game groups for over a year, and my role is mainly to make unique assets that look great and are optimized and ready to use in a game engine. In this course you will be learning how to make this stylized fantasy bow. We will cover everything from modeling, sculpting, retopology, and UV unwrapping in Blender, as well as baking and texturing the model in Substance Painter. You will learn how to avoid baking problems that most people tend to fall into. And then, at the end, we will go back to Blender and render our final product. We will learn how to render both an image and a turntable. You will also get a bonus lesson that will teach you how to export a turntable in Marmoset Toolbag and also a 3D viewer that you can later upload to your portfolio on ArtStation or any other website that you use. This chapter will be a bonus one and optional, so if you don't have Marmoset Toolbag, don't worry, you can follow the whole course with no problems, as we will learn how to render the same turntable in Blender anyway. So I hope you learn something new in this course and enjoy it, and I'll see you around.